This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 0436. It is in new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a 2-wheel drive and it has a V8 gasoline engine, 7.3 liter. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new wheel-in siren and speakers, new wheel-in LED lighting, exterior and interior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger, and it has a new HVAC system, including the hoses. It is a new 2021 Ford E450, 158-inch wheelbase with a V8 gasoline engine, 7.3 liters. The body configuration is L number 1 oxygen. It also has a Zico lift assist. L number 2 houses the inverter and also has an adjustable shelf. L number 3 has inside-outside access. It has 2 adjustable shelves. The unit has new aluminum rub rails, new fenderettes, new aluminum diamond plate running boards, and new diamond plate all around. It also has a new diamond plate rear bumper with flip-up rear step. The load height is 30 1/4 inch with no cargo or payload. It has new flooring, new upholstery. It has a left side attendant seat configuration with forward and aft action areas, storage below, behind, and above. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It's a Type 3 walk-through configuration. It has a sliding door to close off the cab from the patient compartment. It has a new console, new panel, new siren head, place for radios, beverage and document storage. It has a new HVAC system, locking drug box, inside-outside access, ALS cabinet, glove storage, storage over the squad bench, storage below the squad bench as well. R number 3 is backboard storage. It also has inside-outside access. A small storage compartment adjacent. R number 1 is the ALS cabinet. It has inside-outside access. And the unit has 1 battery in a slide-out tray and 1 battery under hood. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 0436, please call 1-833-REMOUNT REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.